Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install Box and revoked apps when you have issues with verifying app, like internet connection issue. So just keep looking, I'll show you how to sort it out. So let's go to Box, install. So you can see unable to verify app and internet connection is required. So normally everyone's saying that's like your apps like Box and all other is blacklisted on your iPhone, and telling you to reset your phone, but that's just wasting time. I have another option, so keep looking and I'll show you how to sort it out. And that's a quick video, so just follow steps and make sure that you're not skipping anything. So first we should go to settings, to Wi-Fi. If you're using, press on I, press on I on your Wi-Fi, go to proxy at the bottom. If you're using FF Apple, turn off, it could be an issue. As you can see, I'm already on off and still have issue. So first step, turn off FF Apple. After that, go back, go to general. You can see, let's check trust. It's enable, So go to back to VPN. If you're using DNS clock, so turn off the VPN clock. Still nothing, First time nothing, second time opens. See? Sorted out. So now you can install any app from Box and will be working without any issues. If you're using DNS clock after installing apps, just turn on again to protect them from revokes. But when you're installing, you must turn off DNS clock, otherwise you will be unable to trust as internet connection issue. That's simple sorting, and let's see if it will work with IPOGO or not. Internet connection required. Let's try again. See, not working. Okay, so if it's not working after installing, let's check. You see, we have status back online. Disconnect again. First time not working, second time opens. Yes, all works. You see? All sorted. So normally it goes back after you getting into app. So normally you don't need to do anything extras, as it turns on by itself. So enjoy guys, have a nice day.